Good afternoon, children. Welcome you all to the science video section standard 4. Lesson 2, Water. Water is the most precious resource on the earth. It found in ocean, pond, river, stream and even under the ground. All living things need water to live and to do many other activities. Let us learn more about water in this lesson. First we discuss about change of state in water. Water occurs naturally in three forms: solid, liquid and gas. These forms are also called states of water. States of water. Ice is in solid form, water is in liquid form and water vapor is in gaseous form. These states occur naturally because of temperature changes. Water becomes ice in cold region and ocean or river become water vapor due to the heat of the sun. Solid state. Ice. Ice is a solid form of water at temperature below 0 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius, water become ice. This process is called freezing. Next, liquid state. Water. Water is in liquid state, is available in water bodies like ocean, river and waterfalls, etc. Gaseous state. Water vapor. Water becomes water vapor as the temperature increases due to heat. Heating form a white moist of extremely small water droplet in the air known as water vapor. At temperature 100 degrees Celsius, water become, when heating at temperature 100 degrees Celsius, water become water vapor. Now we discuss about water cycle. How does it rain? What causes of rain? Before the first, let us understand the three processes: evaporation, condensation and precipitation. You have seen in your kitchen that when your mother boils water, it changes into steam or water vapor. This process is called, this changing of water into water vapor or steam is called evaporation. Have you observed a puddle of water dries by itself after a few days? What causes to dries up? It is a magic? No. Due to the heat of sun, the evaporation from all water bodies like sea, river, lake and even puddle of water, etc. goes on all the time. Do you know why the wet cloth dry faster in the summer season and then the winter season? It's because the evaporation is faster due to the high temperature during summer. Now you will understand the first process. The second process is condensation. If you cover the boiled water with the lid, you will observe the tiny droplet of water on the inner surface of the lid. Why does this happen? The steam or water vapor due to the boiling water cool down and change into tiny droplet of water. This process is called condensation. Condensation is just opposite of evaporation. Like in the case The water vapor from the boiling water changing into droplet of water, and cooling the same thing happen. The water evaporate from the various water bodies like ocean, sea, river, etc. This water vapor rise up into the sky rise up into the sky. It means the cool air, then the water vacuum becomes cool and change into water droplet. The water droplet keeps collecting to form clouds. There is too much collection of water vapor, the cloud becomes heavy. It means the cloud can no longer hold this much amount of water, and water start to fall down in the form of rain. This process is called precipitation. So we see this process called precipitation. So we see the evaporation, condensation and precipitation. That was the tireless journey which water continues to make endless. This is called water cycle. The continuous cycle through which water is circulated by different processes like evaporation, condensation and precipitation. It's known as water cycle. Next we discuss about importance of water cycle. Water cycle to improve the availability of groundwater. It also control the earth temperature. The water cycle to provide water to plants, animals and especially humans. The water cycle to recycle the water supply of water, earth supply of water constantly. Next we discuss about rainwater harvesting. About 2 by 3 of earth surface is covered by water. However, the small amount of usable water is very small. The amount of usable water is very small. This is a fresh water only we are using. The growing population, growing industries and agriculture products needs lot of water. The harm consumption of water is causing reduction of available water. We need to think the variety of waste water to save. One of the very important protective measures for conservation is rainwater harvesting. Basically, water comes on the surface with the rain. However, it gets collected in the river, the river which ultimately falls into the ocean, which means the unusable water is lost in the ocean. We can catch the rainwater and prevent flowing in the ocean. Rainwater is nothing but we can catching and collecting and storing rainwater is called rainwater harvesting. The method are used for rainwater harvesting is rooftop rainwater harvesting. During the rainwater get collected in rooftop. It can transfer into the water tank with storage tank with a pipe. Water contains some soil particles and other impurities. In this case, water should be filtered. Remove the impurities. Water stored in this storage tank can be used to fulfill our water needs. Instead of storage tank, the water can also be transferred toward pit in the ground, where it is saved into the soil. You save water added to the groundwater, so the level of the groundwater increasing. Now we will understand the rainwater harvesting. Now we see the advantage of rainwater harvesting. It increases the groundwater level. It can be used for agriculture. It increases the availability of water for living things. Now let quickly we recall this lesson. We learn about changes of states of water. We discuss about water cycle and rainwater harvesting. Children, I hope you would have understood this lesson. Thank you.